Hello. Today my topic is economic importance of arthropoda. The arthropoda animals are the animals which have jointed legs. It is the largest phylum of the non-chordate animals, and the class of the arthropoda animal is nothing but the insecta, which is also the largest class of arthropoda animal, in which the insects are present which have its specific characters and economic importance. The arthropoda animals are useful as well as harmful invertebrates. Now we will study about useful arthropod animals. The useful arthropod animals is present in following in the way such as they are used as food. Some class of the crustacean animals like prawn or crabs are used worldwide as a food. They they also useful in the form of the breaking down of organic matter. Many myriapods such as millipedes increase soil fertility by breaking down the organic matter. So in such a way they are also useful. Their usefulness is also seen in the case of the biocontrol of insects. That means spiders used to control insects in apple orchards in Israel and rice field in China. So in such a way, the spiders helpful or acts as a insecticides control insects which are harmful the plants. So in such a way they are also useful arthropods. Now besides these, some harmful arthropods are also present. The harmful arthropods are the arthropods which carry the harmful effects, their harmful effects on the human beings, and they lose their economic economy of the human beings so much. So hence they are called harmful arthropods. Such animals are lost the economy of human beings in the form of destruction of the crop. Some crustaceans, such as crabs, cause large agricultural loss to the paddy field as they feed upon on the tender shoots. So, in the paddy fields, that means where the plantation of rice plants are there, or in similar cases, the tender shoots are fed by the help of crustaceans, and such tender shoots are not give proper production or destroy of the plants takes place. In such a way the crabs cause the agricultural loss and great economic loss to the human beings. Some millipedes also there. They causes or they damage the crops such as strawberry. So in such a way the strawberry plants are affected by the millipedes and create great loss of the economy of the human beings. Next type of harmful arthropods are present in the form of the parasites. That means mites and ticks are ectoparasites of birds and mammals. They are living outside of the body of the birds and mammals. They feed on blood and tissues and transmit disease causing agents. So they act as a vector and they transmit disease causing agents from one organism to the another organism, and they causes harmful diseases in the body of the animals, in the body of the birds, in the body of the mammals. So in such a way some Arthropods also acts as a parasite. They helpful transmitting the disease causing agents from one organism to another organism. Some arthropods are poisonous in their habitat. They are poisonous. They are present in the poisonous arachnids. That means scorpions. Scorpions are poisonous animal causing a lot of troubles to men, sometimes may also prove fatal. So the scorpions are itself having stings. In the sting presence of poison glands are there. When the irritation occur, scorpions secrete poison and sting its sting apparatus to their enemies and enter such poisons. These poisons are very much harmful to the organisms. In some cases, death occur. So, in such a way, the arthropods are harmful to the human beings and to another other organisms. Besides these arthropods, insects are of exceptional economic importance of human being. They include useful organisms such as honeybee, lac insects, silkworm, and harmful insects such as anopheles mosquito, red cotton bug, rice weevil, etc. So, honeybee. Honeybee is useful for production of useful substance as honey. Honey is produced by the honeybees. It is a droplet of flower nectar gathered by worker bees. They convert them into sucrose to dextrose and levulose in the hive. They mix them into they mix into them enzymes and transfer into honey which is deposited into the beehive. It is estimated that about 200 gram of honey provide much nourishment as 11.5 liter of milk. That means 200 gram of honey is equal to 11.5 liter of milk or 1.6 kg of cream or 330 gram meats. That means this much of nutritional substance are present in 200 gram of honey. 1 gram of honey provides approximately 33 kilocalorie of energy. So this is so much useful substance produced by the arthropod animal. Honey is also antiseptic in its character. It is used in Ayurvedic and Unani medicine. It is also helpful for building up the hemoglobin of the blood, which is very much useful. The organelle present in the substance present in the blood of the animal helpful to carry gases from one place to another. It also prevents cough, cold and fever. It also used in the formation of the bread, cakes and biscuits. Besides the honey bee also produced some substance known as bee wax. Bee wax is the substance prepared by the bee's abdomen secreted in the flax of beeswax. It is a soft material used to build the comb where honey is stored and larvae are reared. Beeswax is used commercially in the manufacture of cosmetics, candles, furniture wax, leather dressing, wax paper, inks, and medicinal ointments. It is also used in microtomy for block formation. Next product is also bee pollen and royal jelly. Some nutritionists regard bee pollen as a complete dietary supplement. It is sometimes sold in health food stores. Besides this, royal jelly is also substance secreted by the bees it is the secretion of the glandular part of bees on which the larva of queen feeds it. It is rich in vitamins and proteins and also sold for its curative property. Bee animals, which is also a type of arthropod animals, helpful for the pollination. The pulses and oil seeds, fruits and crops including vegetables mostly depend on bees for their pollination. Pollination by bee is also important for seed production of vegetables like onion, cabbage, cauliflower, tobacco, alfalfa and clovers. So in such a way, such type of arthropods in the form of the bee, honeybee is also helpful for the pollination. Like insects. Next arthropod animal which is useful is present in the form of the lac insects. The lac insects are the insects which are members of two families, Laciferidae and Tachyridae. They appear more prominently noted for lac secretion. They are helpful for the secretion of the lac. The Indian lac and the insects are the female insects which secrete a brown resinous substance called lac. The lac obtained from the insects is a complex substance made of resin, dye, wax, albuminous matter, mineral matter, and water. The approximate percentage of different constituents of lac is given. Resin is about 68 to 90%, dye is about 2 to 10%, wax 5 to 6%, mineral matter 3 to 7%, albuminous matter 5 to 10%, and water is present in 2 to 3%. So such much amount of these useful substances are present in the lac secreted by the lac insects. The lac is used in making toys, bracelet, sealing wax, gramophone records, bangles. It is also used by jewelers and goldsmiths, filling the gaps in the gold and silver ornaments. It is also used in the formation of the nail polish. It is also used for dissolving the stick crushed lac into water. From the stick lac, the silas is used as a coating for medicine and as a furniture finish. In the Ayurveda, the lac is also used for treatment of variety of diseases. Lac is considered as a astringent and pungent material. It balances pitta kapha dosh and promote strength. So in such a way, it is used for the cure of liver, stomach and intestine. So in such a way, lac insects are also useful. Thank you very much. कहाँ चला वो? बंद करना